Alright, here we go. We're going to continue working with our dice. So I'm going to open Autodesk Inventor. We'll give the computer just a moment to do that. In our previous video, I showed you how to make the cube. It's a 1x1 cube. And then I also showed you how to place the points on two of your sides. We did the 1-point side. We didn't need to dimension that because we were able to locate the center using the guidelines that showed up as we drug our cursor over the view of the cube. When we did our 6 sides, we had to place 6 points, and then we used the dimension tool to dimension our 6 points so that they were all in line. Okay, first thing I need to do is I need to open the cube that I've already started, so I'm going to go to the open menu. And I should have mine saved in my folder here. Let's check out cube IPT. That's not the one I want. So I gave it a special name. Video die. There it is. So you got to remember what you saved it as. Video die is the one I started. So this is where I had left off in the previous video. So I'm going to open that. Give a moment for the software to load. Does take a little bit of memory, so it may slow your computer down just a tad bit, but it seems like it's moving right along. Okay, let's look at what we have so far. Here's the die. Here's our view cube over here showing the top view with the one hole in it. We haven't done anything with the front view or the right view. Now remember, 1 point on the top means we should have 6 holes on the bottom, and we do, because opposite sides will equal 7. We've got a little bit of history over our drawing here. If I hover over a hole, you'll see that the first hole in the list there on our model browser is the first hole that we made. We can edit our holes in there. And you'll see if I hover over the second one, we see our other 6 down there. So let's do a couple more sides together, see if that's going to help you out on your project in case I'm not available to help you. Of course, I'd like you to try and figure this out on your own using the video. So we're going to work on, we're going to pick one of the sides, so we might as well start with the front. I will click on the pencil. I will click on the view. Now we're ready to place points. So let's do 3 and 4. So we'll do 3 on this side. Look for that center. See those guidelines right there? Click. We won't have to come back and dimension that since we did that. Place another one there. So what we have to do is we have to dimension the one in the top corner and the one down below. We're going to go to Dimension. Click the point. Click the edge. Drag it off the drawing and click a third time. This is going to be 1/4. 1/4. Enter. Okay. We're still on dimension. Click a point. Click the edge. We'll bring it up there. 1/4. Looks good. Repeat the process down below. The point, the edge, 1/4. And the point and the edge 1/, yikes, careful when you type, 1/4. I have to hold a microphone while I do this. Enter. Okay, we're gonna put holes in these. Finish sketch. We're gonna go to our hole tool. Oh, my settings didn't save from the last time, so I gotta make sure I have all the right values. In termination, I do want distance. We're going to make both of our values, both width and depth, 1/8 of an inch. Check it before you wreck it. We're good to go. So we put 3 holes on the front. That means we're going to have to go to the back and put 3 holes back there. Click on the pencil. Click on the view. We're going to do 4 points. No centers to work on this one, so we're going to dimension all 4. Dimension tool. We're going to do these, let's use 1/3. So point, edge, 1/3, point, edge, 1/3. Continue the process. And one more, point, edge. All right, looks like a mess, doesn't it? Green check mark. We're going to go to hole, grab that at an angle, see how it looks. Settings look good. I'm going to click OK. Alright, there's two more sides, 3 and 4. 3 and 4, the only thing left is 2 and 5. Let's see if you folks can figure that out on your own. Otherwise, I will catch up with you next time.